From the rugged coast to clinical precision, the future of the Albatross now rests within these walls.
The integrity of the down starts here.
Beneath the sleek outer feathers lies the secret to their survival, an incredibly dense layer of ultra-fine down.
Specimen optimal. Proceed. From the rugged coast to clinical precision, the future of the Albatross now rests within these walls.
Material verified. Beginning intake.
The first separation is the most critical.
A baptism for purity, removing all trace of the ocean.
The fine mesh filter ensures the complete separation of the delicate down from the soapy wash water.
Restoring loft and memory, filament by filament.
Discharged from the machine, the material is transformed. Incredibly fluffy and airy, it forms a uniform white.
A proprietary solution bonds to each filament, enhancing resilience.
Conditions. Inside the curing tunnel, warm air circulates through thousands of vents, causing the down to flutter and expand.
Exiting the tunnel, the down is restored to peak loft. Laser scanners then precisely map its density in real time, ensuring perfect quality.
From cloud to standardized unit, with zero waste. cut to millimeter perfection.
Here, the premium cotton shell receives its filling. A precise vacuum puff ensures even distribution, signaling the birth of the finished product.
Sealed for a lifetime of loft. The journey ends. The product begins.
Here, value is measured in cubic meters of comfort.
The grid operates with pinpoint precision, coordinating thousands of movements every hour, all monitored by a single operator.
And so it begins its journey from mountain to market.
Embedded deep within the rugged peaks, the geometric fortress stands as a monument to isolation and industrial grandeur. Anchored deep within the rock, this facility processes the raw power that fuels the world below.
The endpoint of an uncompromising process.
As dusk settles over the peaks, the cycle completes. A final, diligent check.
A cycle without end. Precision without pause. The process is the product, and the cycle is king.
Sealed with precision, this is the final unit to leave the line.
A closed loop of absolute efficiency. In this cathedral of commerce, precision is paramount. The final pallet secured. Where nature meets its most refined purpose.